Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Binti Ahmad Safawi. I am student from Faculty Electrical and Electronic from University Tun Usain Malaysia. So today I will be doing a presentation for my project, which is power monitoring system using Internet of Things for photovoltaic power fertigation system. First of all, I will explain the introduction of my project. As we know nowadays, the photovoltaic technology is one of the renewable technology that has the potential to design a future electrical system that is clean, reliable and scalable. As we can see in my surrounding, in UTHM building also apply the solar PV for our daily user. Next, Internet of Things is an essential thing to the generation right now, especially to the young generation, people that becoming an essential to aspect our life that can be sensed everywhere around us. Next, the fertigation is the combination word from fertilizer and irrigation that combine together to be a fertigation. So this system allows the plant to take care of more things without requiring full attention from human. So it is quite familiar nowadays due to its easy to installation and high production result. So in this project, this system that can irrigate the plant on its own. It allows the plant to take care of more things without requiring full attention from human. So basically, this project is focused to build an Internet of Things system-based model for monitoring the PV system for the farming sector, especially the fertigation system. So in this project, IoT will be used as the monitoring algorithm that will determine the output of the solar PV system. So the problem statement for this project is basically come from the difficulty of the electrical grid system to be implemented at the farm, especially to the rural area at the village. So this focus on power monitoring system using Internet of Things for photovoltaic power fertigation system, especially for farmers at the rural areas. Next, the IoT used because farmer will be more capable to monitor the fertigation system even though they are far away from the farm. So to make sure that the output of PV are smoothly, we need to use IoT to monitoring the system. This is because there are many factors that can disturb the PV panels, such as the dust and the dry leaf, animal waste that can interfere the output of the PV system. So next, the objective of this project is basically to design the IoT system simulation that will be used to the monitoring the system of the photovoltaic. Next, to develop an IoT-based model for the power monitoring system for photovoltaic for the fertigation system. And lastly, to evaluate the performance of the developed IoT system by comparing the result that we get from manual monitoring and simulation. For idea description, in the future, the data of the output of the PV are collect and display on the smartphone or laptop or any gadgets in real time. From that, users are capable to evaluate the performance of the solar PV system for the fertigation system. And this also can help the user to evaluate and predict the performance of the solar panel. And lastly, the user can divide what is the predictive maintenance need to be done to ensure the solar PV system operates smoothly and able to supply continuous electricity to the load. So this picture is the example for the application that will display the result of the PV system output. Next, for the authenticity, this IoT system is custom-made application that can solve the problem of the power monitoring system for photovoltaic power fertigation system, especially for farmers at the rural areas. Next, this project is custom-made, so if any problems happen, it will become more easier to troubleshoot and improve it because the user can decide what is the predictive maintenance need to be done to ensure the solar PV system can operate smoothly. So the practically and usefulness of this project is it can develop IoT system can be used to evaluate the performance of the developed IoT system by comparing the result from manual monitoring and simulation. So next, the develop an IoT based model also used for the power monitoring system for the photovoltaic for the fertigation system. What is the impact of doing this project is it can save the environment from the pollution, because solar photovoltaic is the renewable sources that can affect the environment in terms of the global warmings. And second, the IoT system for the monitoring photovoltaic power fertigation system also can reduce the manpower, energy and cost. And lastly, it can introduce to the farmers and engineering student or junior engineer about the power monitoring system using IoT for the PV power fertigation system. The commercial value for this project is focused on the IPTA, Farmers Solar Research Center, and lastly Solar Training Center. So that's all from me. Thank you and have a nice day.